Hello and welcome to Cruise Passenger TV on a momentous day for Australian cruising. Today, after a 2-year absence, our cruise fleet has returned to Australian waters. The Pacific Explorer entered Sydney Harbour this morning to a tumultuous welcome from a flotilla of small ships, water cannon tugs, government ministers and lots of cruise officials and cruise passengers. All that designed to say, welcome back. Enjoy this video.
Pacific Explorer, Sydney Beach, yes. Pacific Explorer, Sydney Beach, yes. Good morning again, confirming port limits inbound. And on behalf of Port Authority New South Wales and Transport for New South Wales, we would like to welcome you back to Australian waters and our beautiful Sydney Harbour and look forward to the recommencement of passenger vessel operations. Over.
Australians love to cruise. I think we all know that. It's, the most successful cruise market in the world, and as you would expect, people are coming back and are looking forward to their first cruise. So our first cruise is on Pacific Explorer. She leaves on the 31st of May, and then very quickly, a couple of weeks later, we'll be welcoming Coral Princess into Brisbane. August is Pacific Encounter and October is Pacific Adventure. And in October, we also welcome back Carnival with Splendour. And then as we go into the peak cruise season in October, all of our brands that operate in Australia will be coming back.